I just got one of the rarest items in the game. And I never got this type. I'm excited. I'm dead. I'm dead. Supposed to go. Bro, I'm still alive. Watch me go. Dead. I'm cooked. I'm cooked. He rezzed me.
Can you revive me?
No, you're already finished.
I hate this stuff.
I'm sorry, I would have done it. Just watch me, just watch me. I'm dead, I'm dead. Oh my god! Yo, I won with the exotic. Yo, that's crazy! That's crazy! That's crazy! Yo, that's literally crazy.